A major drainage expansion project in one of Manila's busiest roads has been completed. The upgraded drainage system was constructed at the outer northbound lane of Taft Avenue in Manila. The road is now open to the public. Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon and Manila Mayor Isko Moreno led the reopening of the road section. The project is expected to significantly improve water flow along the busy thoroughfare. In the past, even moderate rainfall caused severe flooding and traffic paralysis.